Alright, so once you're done all of your parts, it's time to assemble them for printing. The first thing, I want to do a couple checks, and that first thing is make sure that each piece is one part only. So we can just select all these pieces here, we'll hit the Boolean tool, we're going to hit Union, and that's going to give us just one part. That will make my life and your life easier. And I'm just going to rename it here and call it Pawn SD. Just the piece and the initials are fine. And then in our assembly, you've hopefully seen this piece down here before, maybe wondered what it is. This is where we're going to put all our pieces together. If you don't have this, we're just going to hit plus, and then we're going to say create assembly. If we already have one though, let's just go to the one that exists. And I'm going to rename it, and I'm going to give it the name that is the color that you want it to be printed in. So if we go over to Bamboo Labs, that's BAMBU Labs, we can search for the color that we wanted. Let's say we wanted red PLA. You can search for that and click on it. It's going to give us the number just as you saw before. So let's imagine I was doing pink 10203. So I'm going to rename this here to be called 10203. I'm going to say -S Barnum on this one. Next thing we're going to do is start adding our pieces. So we're going to say insert pawn and click once, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Click them anywhere. It doesn't really matter. We'll get it sorted out. What does matter is the number. Now you might be saying, Mr. Barnum, how do we get those other parts? Is that going to be annoying? No, not really. We're just going to go into other documents, and mine are in my chess folder. I don't know if you have a chess folder or not, but I do. And so here I have a knight. I'm going to take this knight, 1, 2. I've got my knights. And if I go back, I should have some rooks around here somewhere. Not that one. So here, sometimes it might give you a warning that says, hey, you can't import it. You need to create a new version, and that's totally fine. So we can just say V1, just hit create, and then it will let us add some parts from there. I don't want to add that particular part, but it's worth showing you that's how one could do it. So here I have one called rook. That might be what I want. So here's kind of a weird looking rook. Maybe we'll pretend that's a bishop instead. And also notice it's not named correctly. So that's if it, probably go through and name all your files before, so you don't have to come back. You don't have to change them individually. All right, so we'll get that. And then we'll add here a really weird looking rook. And then you'd have your king and your queen, and you look down here, our total number should be at 16. That's your check to see, hey, is it 16 parts? And once it is, we'll click OK. And again, don't worry that they're overlapped, but now we've got this one, we've done our 16 parts. I'm just going to hit the duplicate button, and then I'm going to rename it, and let's say I can tab over to my place, and let's say I was trying to do black. I get the number here, 10101. So let's go here, rename 10101, keep that S Barnum on there, and just hit OK. And that's everything you have to do. From there, I will do the exporting, and you see, just notice the name comes up, it'll be good, and then I will get that printed off.